Hello everyone, I hope all you having a lovely day. Another vlog today to answer one of your questions about the hair system. Today's question is, how easy did I find it to travel or go on holiday with the hair system? Well, it's really easy. All I do when I travel quite a lot. All I do, I take with me some tapes, I take with me small bottle of lace release, small bottle of rabbit release, but I never need them, to be honest, because the tape I use, it lasts for a very long time and it's still in its place. Like I got it done a couple of days before, and I swim in the sea. When I go travel, I do some exercises, I do everything, and I went to very hot places like Dubai, like Turkey, and well, I didn't feel that I was wearing a hair system. So yeah, if you have any more questions, send me an email on the email down below. Ask Phil, the hairman, or leave me some comments, and I'll see you soon.